So the point of the video today is because I've never seen a decent vehicle. This is the Joker, which is my Revolt Tsunami build. Loads of custom parts, all custom brass by me, low profile servos, secure 3625 motor. We're actually running the Hobbywing 10BL80 on it, the WP 10BL80 on 4S. We're using Turnigy graphene batteries, little 654S out on the slider on the other side. If you haven't met him before, this is the Joker. Here's my Class 2 comp vehicle. This is the one that I use for comps. And I've never seen a decent rig at the Secret Garden on trenchers. And these have got the Leadfoot Customs 3D printed inserts in. Now this is an early iteration of Jamie's inserts, so these might not be as good as his latest versions, but they do feel really good, and I feel like they're about the right weight for the Joker. Are we going to get the same sort of performance as we would on a Tusk up here? I don't know. I don't know if this compound, this is a Dayard Predator compound, by the way. I don't know if this compound is going to be as good. It's quite warm today, temperature on the screen over there. I don't know if they're going to be as good as J Concepts Green, but we're going to put them through their paces anyway. Couple of little things to note. I've got a full link to everything in the description box that's gone together to create a Joker build, including links for where to get the chassis or the Leadfoot Customs inserts. I'm using a FlySky G11P, which is the Noble's cheaper brother, and with the exception of touchscreen and a few other little whistles, this will do everything that radio will do. Correct me if I'm wrong in the description, but I absolutely love this, and the reason I went this route away from using good cheap radios is that I just wanted something that could really do all the four-wheel steer, dual dig motor and Axial stuff, and this can do it. And over my right shoulder, powering the day. Now there'll be a separate video on this. Have I just dropped something? No, there we go. There will be a separate video on this. This is the Sky RC B6 Neo battery, B6 battery 6, I guess, because it will do up to 6 cells. And my other, I've got a Hotter D6 Pro, which is my home charger. It's a dual charger, so I can charge 2 batteries at the same time. But I wanted something a little bit more compact. I don't really want to be unplugging that from my charging station, bringing it all the way out into the field when there is something available as compact as this. Look at this thing, it's so cute. And you can run it off of DC. Now, I charged all of the batteries, including the one in the vehicle, off of USB-C, off a fast charger, and I was quite impressed with that. I don't want to talk too much about the nitty-gritty of this today because there is going to be a separate video on it, but I just wanted to let you know the big 2400 lithium HV is going to be my donor battery, and then I'm going to be topping up the graphene 654S from this 2400 milliamp 3S. So if we do need to charge batteries today, that is how we're going to be doing it. And if you're interested in the full review, there'll be a video coming shortly, but for now, links to everything will be in the description box, and if you guys use links, it helps me to pay for all the things that I do on the channel here. So if that's you, thank you. Should we do some crawling? Now, I don't know if you remember this one, guys, but this was the line that Mantis did that no other rig has done. I just thought, while we're right by it, let's see if we can get a bite. Let's see if we can get a bite with the joker up there. Just got to get the entrance angle correct. So we need to get the bite on that front left first. Yeah, I think we need to come in at an angle. And I don't know whether you noticed there, but I must have tapped the drag brake button and switched that off. There we go, servo doing its job and pulling us up there. Do you know what? I think the joker might get it. Oh! Okay. Well, that's one in the plus column for the Predator compound trenchers. My goodness. Is it repeatable? So we get the hook, use the servo to pull up. And we get the hook with the right as well. Oh, he must have been, yeah, there it is. There is a sweet spot there where she just goes up. Let's find some more difficult lines. It looks like the trenchers are gonna do okay in the secret garden. Wow, that's a really, really good entry for this. So I don't know how much of that is to do with the joker and how much of it is to do with the trencher, but that was incredible. So this is the alternate line. This is also really tricky. Now, I have seen Predator compound trenchers up here before, but not on the Leadfoot Customs inserts, and also not on the joker. So I'm trying to calculate, is that the correct term? How much better these are appearing to be, and at that point I've got to be honest that might be the best I've ever seen a trencher do. So maybe it's a combination of the rig and the inserts. Let's go find something even more difficult. The SD card filled up there, just as I was saying. So if you know, you know. This is a nemesis line for me. Okay, so the left line is hard, but it's not the hardest. But the way it pulled that, I've got high hopes. And for some reason I've got a weird old song, High Hopes, going round in my head. What's that from?
But he's got high hopes. He's got high hopes.
Trying to get the comp style roller bumper to help us up there, but it was just in perfectly the wrong spot. Yeah, we're not getting it there. This might go. So getting the hook with the left and then turning right has been, for all of the smaller rigs, impossible. Yeah, And it looks like that's where we're at right now. Let's try a reverse grab. Leaning into it with a servo, and we're just not getting it. I don't think we're going to get the right side, but oh. Well, that might explain why we weren't getting it. Sorry if you was looking forward to a much longer video. I was too. But don't worry, we will pick it up again in Trencher's revisited video shortly. Hopefully I can get up here tomorrow, and I'll bring that to you then. But for now, I'm Dwight Rabbit for the RC family. Bye for now.